welcome back. So we did have partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies made our way through the day today. Enough sunshine and a southerly wind to get us close to 70 degrees for a high. More clouds as we make our way into the evening, and that'll trap in some of the heat. So we're currently at 56 degrees. We should stay into the 50s over the next few hours. That dew point at 37, so a little bit more humidity in the atmosphere than last week. That wind southeast around 6 miles per hour. Here's a look at the temperatures outside right now. Still close to 60 at Ogallala and Imperial, low to mid 50s at Thedford, Broken Bow, and Lexington, and a 59 at Valentine, with the winds mainly southeast around 5 to 15 miles per hour. That's keeping us warm also. You can see we do have some peaks of clear skies from the Imperial area and points off to the south, but North Platte, off to the north and west, partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies outside right now, and some showers as you make your way north of Alliance. We should stay mainly dry. Most of this activity is not really reaching the ground. Now, high pressure to our south in charge of our forecast. We got that warm front making its way through, producing some very light showers into the Panhandle and Sand Hills, but we're going to keep that southerly flow as we make our way through the day tomorrow before this cold front comes through. It's another one that's going to come through dry. The moisture is going to miss us off to the north, and it will cool us down as we finish out the work week. Here's what we have as of right now. Jet stream off to our north. We've got dry conditions for what looks like from here all the way into the Gulf of Mexico and the border of Mexico, with the orange area showing 10 to 20 degrees above average. Should be into the lower 50s this time of year, and we're hitting 70 degrees. And there are some record highs out there as you make your way further south. Now, as we go through this evening, we'll keep the partly to mostly cloudy skies. Strong enough southerly wind by around 11 p.m. We're into the upper 40s and then falling back into the upper 30s during the overnight. As we go through the day tomorrow, mostly sunny skies and temperatures once again into the upper 60s and lower 70s. And then as we make our way through the day on Wednesday, most of the day will be mostly cloudy. We start off in the upper 30s, partly to mostly cloudy skies later on into the day, and high temperatures falling back into the mid to upper 50s across the region. Here's what it looks like on the wide map. Still in that warm sector through the day tomorrow as this cold front is kind of bunching up. There's that low to the north. We have some snow north of the Canadian border, some rain-snow mix as you make your way into the Dakotas. But once again, we're going to be dry as this cold front makes its way through, just flipping the wind around to a north or northwesterly direction. A cooler high pressure system is in charge of our forecast, and that is going to be the story as we finish out the work week and then go through the weekend. Let's take a look at what to expect as we go through your midweek period. That warm air continuing to move off to the south and to the east. There's that rain-snow mix moving into the Canadian prairies and into the Midwest. Cooler air to the northeast and a little bit more of a cool sector here over us. And we do have some areas, especially as you make your way into the Rockies, that could get some snow shower activity, especially from Denver into the higher elevations points off to the west. We're still staying dry, but temperatures on their way down and dry air off the west coast. This is our weather maker as we go over the next week. We continue to look to stay dry. 72 tomorrow, mostly sunny skies and mostly cloudy on Wednesday, a high of 54 and 53 on Thursday. Wind picks up to round out the work week. More sunshine, though, for Friday, a high of 57, then 56 on Saturday with mostly sunny skies, and still sunny and dry Sunday and Monday as temperatures rise from the upper 50s and into the lower 60s by this time next week. Kent?
But still a very nice day on tap for tomorrow. I mean,
yeah, another day,
degrees, yeah.
Reaching the lower 70s this time of year.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. If you are hoping to buy a home in the near future, you need to be ready to act fast. The American dream of owning a home is getting more out of